Hello YouTube family, I am here to do my first unboxing. Before I get started, this is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY, and I was contacted a few weeks ago by a company called burlapfabric.com. They had seen some of my YouTube videos, my DIYs, and they wanted me to try out some of their products. So I did go on their website and kind of looked around to see what I might be interested in using in some upcoming DIYs. And so I gave them kind of an idea, a list of some things I was interested in, but then I just said, send me also whatever you think I might want to try or you want me to try. So I'm excited to open up this box. It's actually pretty big. It's 9 pounds. So we will discover together what wonderful things they sent me. I will link the website in the description box below if you are interested in anything you see that I show you today, or even to go check out what else they have, since I'm not even sure what I got here. But let's get this box open and we will get started. Oh my, it is very full. All right, so let's see, I'll just randomly grab some things here. Ooh, this is cool. I love the smell of burlap and jute. This is a reusable grocery bag. You can use it for groceries or just taking whatever you need. It says The Natural. I don't know if it's backwards on the video. I hope not. 100% natural, biodegradable, renewable, reusable. So it's got two nice handles. It's fairly large. I want to say it's about, I don't know, 14 inches by 14 and then about 6 inches deep. This is really good quality burlap. I don't know how close I can get, but it's very a very tight weave, I guess you would say. The holes are fairly small, so thank you. That is awesome. All right, let's see what else we have in here. Ooh, this is super pretty. I'd say this is like a larger version of the burlap and lace ribbon that we love to buy at Dollar Tree. However, I think this is about 5 inches wide. I can see also on the back, the lace is secured. Sorry about the lighting. I hope you can see. It's really light thread, but it's secured, 2 lines going down. And then the edge of the ribbon is finished. Can you see that? It looks really nice. So I don't even know how long of a piece this is, but this will make some fun DIYs, some nice big bows maybe. All right, let's see what else we have here. This, oh boy. Oh, I think this is a table runner. Yes, this is about 2 arm lengths of me. I'm gonna guess about 10 feet long. The edge is fringe, but there's a sewing, a stitched line down so it doesn't fray anymore. Ooh, that is gonna be fun. I'm gonna make a fun table runner with that. Be looking for that in some upcoming DIYs. Wow. And also, yeah, it's really, it's not stretchy. You know how sometimes some cheap burlap, it kind of stretches and you can tell it's kind of weak? All right, let's see, what is this? Oh, these are big. I didn't realize how big these were. This was one thing I had said I was interested in. It's 8 by 10 inch burlap pennant. I want to open this to show you the quality. It comes with jute string, but I don't think they're, oh, it is. Okay, so, oh no, they're individual. Okay, so here's each triangle with jute twine, so you can tie them together. The front is burlap, and the back is like a plasticky backing, so it's not gonna fray. It's gonna stay like this. Ooh, do you guys have any suggestions for words I should do? I have 12 pieces. B-I-R-T-H. D-A-Y. Okay, so birthday's 8. We got summer coming up. Put down in the comments if you guys have any suggestions for what saying I should do on a pennant banner. Ooh, this is awesome. Thank you so much. Let's see what else we have in here. Ooh. Okay, this is, oh, these are canvas. Okay, so they also have a lot of canvas items. So that was burlap. This is canvas pennant triangles. These are also 8 by 10, 12 pieces, and they have like a white satin ribbon. Okay, and it's kind of got some holes along the top, so it's strung across. Again, 12 pieces. So these are a little more flimsy because it's just a canvas. I don't think it has the plastic backing. Let's see. I need to move a little faster. This video is going to be forever long. I love kind of the frayed, unfinished look of this. Okay, these are strung together, so I don't have to keep them this far apart. If I wanted, I could slide them closer together. See how they slide on the ribbon? So if you wanted them to be right up next to each other. Again, in the comments, ideas of wording. These I think would be really easy to stencil letters on and then use my paint pens that I like, or even use the stencils that are open and you can use a paint with one of those little sponges. All right, so we got burlap banner, canvas banner. I think these are the tassels. 12 pieces. These are jute. Oh, okay, so each piece is a thick jute twine and then it has a jute tassel on the end. I'd say these are about, yeah, probably about 12 inches of jute between each tassel. I love the smell of jute and burlap. I'm weird, I know. So be looking for these in an upcoming DIY. I also see some burlap bows. Ooh, and they have like a twisty tie. You know, like a plasticky metal twisty tie on the back, so you can wrap them around things. So these are bows that are already made. I'd say they're about 2.5 inches wide. Oops, I pulled the twisty tie out. I think it should be easy to fish it back through there. So anyway, each one comes with a twisty tie, so you can just wrap it around something to decorate. That is awesome. That's the card to the website. Here, let me hold it up. So I'm in Michigan. Oops, I'm in West Michigan. This store or the warehouse is in Chicago. That's about 2.5 hours from me. So I did get this rather quickly. All right, 6-inch burlap on a roll, 10 yards. Y'all, that's 30 feet. That's a lot of burlap. And what I love about this is it's finished. It's finished on either of the long ends and on these ends, so you don't have to worry about it fraying. Now this burlap, I will say, see if I can open it up so you can see. The holes are a little bigger, but it's very, very sturdy. So, oh my goodness, I'm going to have to do some brainstorming of what I'm going to do with this. And, okay, if you guys saw my latest DIY where I did the home, the frame with the home and the wreath, and I was looking forever for canvas to strip across and do the word home, and I ended up getting a tote bag from, anyway, this is a huge piece, I don't even know how many yards of canvas fabric, and it is thick. This is some good stuff. burlapfabric.com. Thank you so much for sending me this box of goodies, and I can't wait to use some of these things in an upcoming DIY. Again, if you have any ideas for sayings for those pennants or any other ideas for some of these products, let me know in the comments. Again, check out burlapfabric.com, and I will see you guys in my next video. See you soon. Bye-bye.